Enjoy this simple essential oil meditation to feel balanced, and you can shift your day in just a few minutes. I'm Krista with Flourish Yoga, your wellness lifestyle coach using Ayurveda and Essential Oils, and I'm here today just sharing simple Ayurvedic tips for healthy daily habits. I've put together a super handy list of my favorite essential oils for meditation. This comes with a couple of guided meditations plus some habit trigger tips that you can use your essential oils for actually to make sure you sit down each and every day. We'll use it as our trigger, our habit, and our reward. So get ready for that. So you can get that full complete list by just clicking the link in the comment below or in the description. It's also in there. So you can click on either one of those spaces. So we're going to be using one of my favorite essential oils today, and that is the Balance, doTERRA Balance Blend. And so what is this doTERRA Balance Blend good for, right? And so number one on the list is stress and anxiety. It's kind of like a walk in the woods and smelling the flowers all at the same time. You're going to find out why in just a moment. And if you have it handy, actually just go ahead and put a drop on while we're talking about it, and then we'll refresh that drop before we drop into our meditation. But in this blend, it's kind of my number one go-to on those days when I've got a lot going on, or I feel kind of overwhelmed, or have a lot of projects on the to-do list and don't know where to get started. So this is my blend for that, to kind of keep me focused and bring me kind of back down to earth when I start to go spiral. It's also good when I'm traveling. And so when we're traveling, our Vata dosha gets out of balance. And so this one helps to kind of ground us again and bring us back into that routine that we kind of get out of habit, or out of order, the routine that gets out of sorts when we travel, right? It's also one of the best essential oils for meditation. So what's in the doTERRA Balance Blend? It is a mixture of trees and flowers, really. And so doTERRA Balance Blend contains black spruce, which is grounding and stabilizing, especially if you're in like shock or trauma, any of those type of things. Black spruce is like your number one go-to, just sort of bring it back down a notch. Whole wood is in this, which has a really high linalool content. So whole wood is similar to rosewood, but rosewood being an endangered species, whole wood has similar chemistry that we can use that in a sustainable manner. So I love that about this blend. And then frankincense is in here as well, and that is all about truth and trust, right? And letting go of negativity to just be present in the moment. Blue, so that's our trees. And then on our flower side, we have blue tansy, which prompts inspired action, especially when we are self-sabotaging, right? It helps us to get back on track. And then there's blue chamomile, which is the German chamomile, and it is calm and supportive, okay? So I think it's like that trusted friend who tells it like it is, but drops everything to be there with you. That's our blue chamomile. And then osmanthus is soft and calm. It's this kind of instant stress relief. Just think of those soft petals that kind of come into place with that. You're just kind of bringing you down to that nice cushion again. So the tree aspect of this balance blend strengthens your lower body connection to the earth, what we call root chakra in yoga speak type thing. The trees are patient, right? They're slow moving, yet at the same time they can achieve great heights, right? So there's that kind of contradictory nature in there, but just think patience and stability with the tree aspect. And then the florals in this balance blend are your calm down stress support. And so that calm presence, it just helps to guide you and helps to kind of cushion you when you need that support. So balance helps you to manifest, to get things done, but in a soft and gentle manner. No need to rush, okay? Okay, go ahead and just refresh your balance blend if you've been using it again there. Grab one or two drops in your hand, and you can go ahead and rub them together. And just take 3 deep breaths, okay? And just noticing which one of those scents you're trying to pick up, which one of those ingredients really speaks to you. And then after you kind of like taken your 3 deep breaths, you can either rub the residual oil. I like to put balance blend on my feet, is in a great spot, or you maybe want to put it on the back of the neck. And it depends on what is accessible for you in the moment and what feels right for you today. And then just go ahead and place your palms facing up on your legs. Sit up tall and just gently close your eyes. And just notice that aroma that surrounds you. The trees and that little hint of the meadow. And you can bring your awareness down to your feet, your legs. Go ahead and just move if you need to adjust. So our awareness is there, our feet, our legs, and our hips, just adjusting, making sure you feel balanced, supported. And then find that place of stillness, of silence. Keeping your awareness in your low body for a moment, in those feet, legs, even to the base of your spine. Just feel connected, supported. Feel that strength of the silence and the stillness. And allow your awareness to travel up your body, from your feet, your base, up through your belly, to your heart. Just drawing that sense of peace and stillness up through your body. But as you reach your heart space, just feel a softening there, an opening, like the petals of a flower as they open. Just allow your shoulders to relax downwards. You can relax your jaw, your cheeks, your throat. Relax your forehead. Simply connect to your breath. And as you breathe in, drawing that strength from your roots, your trees, your base. And as you breathe out, just notice that softening. Finding that balance between strength and rigidity, softness and flow. Breathing in, drawing in that strength from below, that support that you feel. Breathing out, allowing your heart, your shoulders, your mind just to soften and relax. Finding that balance point between being strong and being flexible. In that balance point, feel that sense of calm, focused strength. You can say to yourself, I am calm, focused, and strong. Connecting to that peace of the forest, the stillness of the forest, the strength of those mighty trees, and yet the flexibility and the softness of those flowers just gently blowing in the breeze. Taking a deep breath in. Breathing out, just letting go. You can slowly start to just open your eyes, move your neck, your shoulders if you need to. Just notice how you feel. Notice what's coming up for you in this moment. If you feel that sense of stillness within your heart, it's almost an instant reaction for me when I put the balance on. My shoulders just start to release down. It's so beautiful. And nice when we can take it that step further and go into a little bit of a deeper meditation experience with that blend to kind of help us cue into that. So I'm super curious. I want you to post below. Are you new to meditation? Are you new to meditation with essential oils? Or are you a seasoned practitioner just looking for a little bit of inspiration? So post that in the comments below. I'd love to know where you're at. And that helps me too to know what kind of meditation videos you might like to see in the future. And at Flourish Blogger, we're all about making things simple and easy. So if you are new to meditation, we have some great guided meditation videos that you can try. You can click that on the screen and try that. And if you're new to essential oils, check out the Simple Ayurvedic Essential Oils playlist for tips on getting started and how they work and what you can use them for your wellness lifestyle. And don't forget to click on that link below to download that guide, my favorite guide for essential oils meditation. The link is in the comments and the description, and that comes with a couple guided meditations that come with that, and also these tips to help make meditation your daily practice or your daily routine. You can click on the subscribe button below as well. We'll be releasing several different meditation videos over the next few weeks, so you can tap into that, along with some Ayurvedic essential oil videos to go deeper into the blend and how they work on a more physical level. This was kind of an emotional experience with us today. All right, and if you enjoyed this and found it helpful, make sure you click the like button, because that tells me what to make more of, what kind of videos that you're enjoying and what's most helpful for you. And you can check out our playlist for essential oil meditations, yoga and essential oil classes are in there, some Ayurvedic tips, healthy daily habits, everything you need for your wellness lifestyle. And here's the mantra that we use in our meditation today. So go grab a pen and jot this down so you can use it on the go. So our balance mantra is I am calm, focused, and strong. So it's super simple, but all you need to stay focused and to have that, to manifest what you're wanting out of the day without getting caught up in all the swirls that our mind likes to take us on. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and namaste.